Here at Stenzel Clinical Services, we do not see crazy people. We see everyday people with everyday problems, coping with what life has thrown at them. There are many lies about counseling that people believe. First of all, that it is for crazy people, or whatever that even means. A second one is that counseling is for the weak, people who can't deal with life. You hear things like, well, pull yourself up by your bootstraps, or toughen up, or don't be a baby, you'll be fine. Does that really even solve anything? And I would ask, which is more cowardice? To ignore your problems, to not face them, or to actually deal with them head on, get counseling, and move through the issues and face the emotions that are hard to face? We see every day people who are strong and courageous, that are facing their issues. So the question is, do you want to be someone who just pushes things under the rug, ignores your problems, and never deals with them? Or do you want to be strong, face your issues, and become an overcomer?